Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with iCloud for calendar sync app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID account page. Next, locate and tap on the iCloud option. Ensure that you are logged into your iCloud account. Once in the iCloud settings, find the toggle next to calendars. Make sure that the toggle is turned on. This allows your calendar data to sync with iCloud. Now, exit the Settings app and open the Calendar Sync app you wish to authorize. Upon opening the app, look for the option to connect or sync with iCloud. This option might be labeled as Connect to iCloud or Sync with iCloud. Tap on that option to initiate the authorization process. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID and password. Enter your credentials to continue. Next, you will need to grant the app permission to access your calendar. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the authorization. Once the app has access, it will begin syncing your calendar data. Check the app to ensure that your calendar events are appearing. If you encounter any issues, revisit the iCloud settings to confirm syncing is enabled. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized the app with iCloud for calendar synchronization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.